Land Bank, please? Andiyan ba Land Bank? Because we have invited also the Land Bank.
Land Bank, please identify yourself. Please proceed.
Land
Good-
Bank,
good
sino yung
morning.
inyong lending officer? Sino yung inyong tinatawag na lending unit? Sinong head nito?
Actually, Sir, Mr.
Land Bank,
Chair,
sorry, Chairman Fernandez. Please identify yourself, please, before answering the query of Chairman Fernandez.
yes, ako po si Maria Marita S. San Diego, currently the head of the Bulacan Lending Center. So, dito po nakabook ang account ni Mr. Mangaron for the loan of 60 million.
Okay. So, you have released a 60 million package for the Greenland Recovery Center. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
And according to the reports that had been submitted to us, upon the payment of that property on June 16, if I'm not wrong, 2020, after 3 days, the loan package was approved by Land Bank. Is this correct?
Actually, sir, the loan was
Kailan na-apply ang loan?
approved, sir, in March 28, 2020.
March
Yes, sir.
28. And the resolution that was approved by the Sangguniang was on January 14, 2020. Ang loan nyo is approved in March what? 16?
March 28, sir, 2020.
And the payment of Mangaron to Anisete was done in June. Approved na ang loan niyo bago pa bilhin. Mangaron, kailan niyo binili yung property from Anisete? Yung deed of donation. Kailan nagkaroon yung deed of donation?
ROD, please. ROD, please answer the query of Chairman Fernandez. When was the deed of donation?
Yung alin yung ano? Andito according sa, pabilisin ko na lang at tinutulungan na tayo ni Congressman Acop.
Your Honor.
May 4, yung deed of donation. 2020. Tapos, March yung approval nyo ng loan na 60 million. Bakit kayo nagkaroon ng approval na 60 million na loan samantalang hindi pa siya ang may-ari, si Mangaron? What we're trying to establish is, Mr. Chairman, yung nakikita nating collusion in here, And according sa inyong loan inquiry, counseling and processing, ito pinaprint ko to, napakahaba nito, kaninang umaga. Nakita natin dito yung process on how to get a loan from this government, yung sa ating land bank, to a private citizen or to a business entity. And here, napakahaba ng process nyo. Did you conduct a credit information and background investigation?
Yes,
Land
sir.
Bank. Did you conduct a credit information and background information investigation?
Yes, sir. Actually, the loan was approved on March 28, 2020. However, we just released the loan.
No. How can you approve a loan kung sila Mangaron during that time hindi pa sila may-ari? So, bakit nyo a-approve ng loan samantalang hindi pa may-ari ang Mangaron?
Yeah, may I, sir, if I
Sige,
may?
go ahead.
Actually, it was part of the terms and conditions that we required the transfer of the title before we release the loan, so that before the release of the loan, the transfer of title is already effected.
Okay.
So we may also include in the terms and condition, and for
Alright.
its approval.
Okay. Considering that you're trying to tell us is truth and factual, no? Okay. A while ago, you were saying that you have conducted a background investigation. Did you know that this subject property have not been issued a conversion order by the Department of Agrarian Reform as part of your background investigation?
As yes, sir.
So alam niyo no na wala pang conversion order. And you release 60 million.
Sir, yung release of we required the transfer or the reclassification of the
Hindi, ang
property.
tinatanong ko lang, sagutin mo, kung yung conversion order that was issued by the department, that will be issued by the Department of Agrarian Reform, alam ninyo na wala pang ini-issue na conversion order ang DAR.
Yes, sir, but we required the borrower to undertake the conversion of the property to industrial.
Hindi, alam mo, ma'am, maglalabas ka ng 60 million. Di ba? Tapos, hindi ka magre-require ng conversion order from our Department of Agrarian Reform. Pera po ito ng taong bayan na ilalabas po ninyo. Di ba? Nang ganun-ganun lamang. Hindi ba kayo nagkakaroon ng maraming days of trying to have a credit information on this matter? Kasi dito mismo, sa inyong website, nakalagay dito meron kayong proseso 20 days nga nakalagay dito para sa investigation Were you not able to find out that the resolution that was issued by the San Simon LGU is not right, is not in proper and order? Hindi ba kayo nagkaroon ng ganong klaseng investigation, Land Bank?
Actually, sir, we require the borrower to undertake the conversion.
Yes, so nga nag-undertake sila, but ang problem dito, dapat nga magkaroon kayo ng deeper investigative information on all this matter because pera ng bayan itong pinag-uusapan natin dito na basta-basta na lamang po ninyo nire-release. Ngayon ang tanong, dumaan ba ito sa board? Nag-approve ba dito ang board?
No, sir. The loan was approved only up to the credit committee level.
Oh,
Yung first
oh. O kung ba't kung sa credit committee lamang kayo, which will take 30 days for that purpose, hindi pa kayo umabot sa decision ng board? And you release 60 million already? Is that what you're trying to say to us?
Sir, doon sa approving level namin, the 60 million is only up to the credit committee level only.
Okay, sino members sa mga credit committee nito who approved the 60 million?
The members of our credit committee are the sector heads of the bank. The lending groups of the bank.
Tinatanong ko po, ma'am, sino yung mga members ng committee? Anong mga pangalan na nag-approve ng loan? Sino-sino sila? Ilan sila?
I'm not sure, but
Can you kindly give to us the names of the committee members, ha? Para malaman natin kung sino nag-approve ng loan na to. Ngayon, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, since napatunayan natin dito at napapatunayan natin sa kongresong ito that there was no conversion, no? And that property can be treated as an agricultural lot. So, ang presyo ng kanyang lupa is really low. Di ba? Mababa lang siya. Ngayon ang tanong, paano ang gagawin ninyo doon sa loan recovery department ninyo? Considering that we are now establishing that the negotiation of the purchase is somehow mali sa simula pa lamang. So we invested 60 million for this purpose. How can you recover that kind of loan of 60 million pesos that was given to the Greenland? Considering that their property as a collateral, it's so much under the release of 60 million loan. Paano gagawin natin dito, ma'am?
sir, if I may, the valuation is not only based doon sa property itself or on the real estate property,
But also on the building.
we gave valuation to the pyrolysis equipment that they purchase, and of course the
Yes.
building, the pyrolysis
Yes,
plant.
but in accordance
Yes, sir.
with the BPLO, the ruling ng office of the building official. Okay? Because that conversion is illegal, then all those building will be will be demolished. Alam mo, pag nagsimula kayo ng mali, mali na lahat yan. Because they started it wrong and the LGU started it wrong. So, yung construction ng pyrolysis plant is also wrong. How can you correct that? And even the loan that was given by Land Bank was wrong. How can you correct all this problem? Hahayaan na lang natin na ganon? Because the DAR will never issue a conversion order. Am I right, DAR?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Hindi sila mag-i-issue. So kung walang conversion order, then it will remain as agricultural land. As a matter of fact, nung pinakita kong video, nasa middle siya ng agricultural property. Di ba? And all those people who are living on that surrounding were never consulted. And even the NGO were never consulted. So how can you correct this mess that was created by all of you? Tell me. Paano mo na ma-recover yung 60 million? Kapag winasak na, sinira na, dinemolish na ng OBO, ng BPLO, ng Engineering Department, ng San Simon, yung building na yon. Because you have to return it back, to revert it back to agricultural property, to agricultural classification. So anong gagawin natin doon, Land Bank? Wala na, yung pera natin. Lugi na tayo doon sa 60 million. And even the building that kasama doon sa assessment, wala na yon. And that's the reason why you were asked to have an investigative background, credit information. 20 days ang binigay nga sa inyo sa ninyo, sa website nyo. Pero you never assess, you never investigated that area. Kung inimbestigahan nyo lamang yung area, pupunta ka sa gitna noong agricultural area at makikita mo, nasa gitna siya. Nasa gitna siya. Paano nakalusot sa inyo mga mata yun? Paano nakalusot sa inyo? Did you ever try to talk to the people living on the surroundings? That the dominant people who are living there are all agricultural areas. Land Bank.
Yes, sir. We actually, the land was given valuation and it was appraised. So ocular site inspection was also made before the loan was.
Mr. Chairman, I cannot say any more on that issue, Kasi I think we just lost a 60 million loan to this Mangaron family. And I'm pretty sure that since di ko alam kung paano natin ko-correct yung problem because we cannot convert the property. And at the same time, ang DAR will never issue a conversion order and this property will not fall under the 3 exemption na binabanggit ng DAR administrative order, which is feasible ba yon for transferring from agriculture to non-agriculture area, or is there any what do you call this, the interagency planning task force was created? Walang ganon eh. Kaya, Mr. Chair, I believe that malaki po yung problema natin and we have to hold these people responsible. I think there was a collusion between the Land Bank, between the Mangaron, Anisete, and the LGU. For the meantime, Mr. Chairman, I'll be yielding back. Mamaya na lang po ako magtatanong.
Anyway,
Salamat po.
Chairman, this is also the case sa DBP and the loan of Mexico Pampanga. Fortunately, before the transaction is consummated, na pasukan po ng committee. Kaya, inanal and void yung transaction na loan ng Mexico Pampanga. But in this case, last lang dito, DNR, nandito